Hey guys, it's Larry, and today I am doing a plan with me video, and these are the beautiful planner stickers that I have chosen. These are super cool. I've had these in my library for quite a while, so I will try and find a link and put that below if you would like to print these yourself. These are from Glam planner stickers, and I just love these colors, especially the green and the pink. So this is the PDF file that I have turned into stickers on my Cricut machine, and we're going to get to planning. So if you want to see how this layout turns out, then stick around. If you are not yet a subscriber, hit that subscribe button over there and ring the bell for notifications, and I will show you how it turns out. Let's get going. Alright guys, so again, these are the planner stickers that I have chosen. These are from Glam planner stickers, and they are super adorable. There's like a 5-page sticker kit, and I have just chosen this full sheet that I have printed out. I took their PDF file, put it into my Cricut, and made my own stickers. I've added some of my social media. I don't know if I'll be using washi or not. If you watch these videos with me, you know it just kind of comes together. We'll see how it goes. So I'm going to get started. So pull up your chair, get your planner out, get some stickers. Check the link below if you want to print these stickers for yourself. Grab a cocktail or an iced tea or maybe a pumpkin spice latte if it's cold where you are. And let's turn on the music and have some fun. Alright guys, let's go. Okay guys, so here is my final layout. This was super quick, super easy. I love it. It's clean, it's neat, and it's completely functional. So I have 2 stickers left, these nice big boxes that I can use for appointments coming up in the week, and I have plenty of white space to add other information. I like these to-do lists, is kind of fun. I usually have a 3 checkbox for like the top 3 tasks of each day, but I like kind of having this running to-do list, so we'll see how that works out. And I thought it was cool to do 2 weekend stickers and just frame out my weekend. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it if you did enjoy it. Remember to subscribe, ring the bell for notifications so you'll see the next Plan With Me video. And I will have some links below where you can find these stickers if you'd like to print them and use them in your own planner. Thanks so much for being here with me today, and I want to say, please remember, always be kind, be thankful, and keep living light. Bye guys.